In today's video, I'll show you how to resize a Facebook post design to Instagram post size in Figma using a simple resizing plugin. This is useful when you've already created a design for Facebook and want to adapt it quickly for an Instagram feed post without rebuilding everything from scratch. We'll open a social media resizing tool, choose the Instagram post preset, and automatically generate the correct frame size using the fit or fill option. If this tutorial helps you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical Figma design tips. Let's get started. First, open Figma and navigate to the file containing your Facebook post design. Before resizing, select the frame or design that you want to adapt. It's a good idea to check that the entire design is inside one main frame because this makes the resizing process more predictable. If your text, images, icons, and background are spread across separate layers, select them all and place them inside a single frame if necessary. Once your Facebook design is ready, open the Plugins menu in Figma. Depending on your version of Figma, you can find this by right-clicking on the canvas and choosing Plugins, or by using the Resize button and searching for a plugin. In the plugin search field, look for a tool such as Social Resizer. Select the plugin from the results and run it. When the Social Resizer panel opens, you'll see different social media platforms and size presets. Look for Instagram, then choose the Instagram post dimension preset. The standard Instagram portrait post size is commonly 1080 by 1350 pixels, while the square post is usually 1080 by 1080 pixels. Choose the format that matches the content you want to publish. If you want your design to take up more vertical space in the Instagram feed, the portrait preset is often the better choice. If your original Facebook design is square, select the square option instead. After selecting Instagram and the desired post size, look for the resize, fit, or fill control. The exact wording can vary depending on the plugin, but the purpose is similar. The fit option usually scales the selected design so that the full artwork remains visible inside the new Instagram frame. This is helpful when you want to avoid cropping important text, logos, or images. The fill option scales the content to cover the entire new frame, which can create a more edge-to-edge result, but it may crop parts of the original design. Choose fit if preserving the complete Facebook design is your priority. Choose fill if you want the Instagram frame fully covered and you're comfortable adjusting any content that gets cropped. Once you've made your selection, click the resize or apply button. The plugin will automatically generate a new frame using the Instagram dimensions and adapt your selected design to that size. Now review the new design carefully. Check the headline first and make sure no text has been cut off or pushed too close to the edge. Then inspect images, logos, buttons, and decorative elements. Instagram uses a different aspect ratio from many Facebook post formats, so some elements may need small manual adjustments after the automatic resize. You can move text blocks, scale images, or adjust spacing while keeping the new Instagram frame selected. If the result looks too small, with large empty areas, try the fill option or manually scale the main artwork. If important content is cropped, switch back to fit or reposition the affected layers. It's also helpful to keep important text and branding inside a safe area around the edges so that the design remains clear on different screens and in Instagram previews. Once everything looks correct, rename the new frame so you can identify it easily. For example, Instagram post portrait or Instagram post square. Then, check the frame dimensions in the right-hand design panel to confirm that the size matches the Instagram preset you selected. When you're satisfied, export the frame as a PNG or JPG, depending on your workflow and image requirements. And that's how you can resize a Facebook post design to Instagram post size in Figma. By using a social resizing plugin, choosing the Instagram preset, and selecting fit or fill, you can adapt social media designs much faster than recreating them manually. Remember to review the result after resizing, especially around text, logos, and important visual details. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more Figma tutorials, and share it with someone who creates social media designs. Thanks for watching.